We're going to make the chair. This is fiddly, believe you me. Essentially, the chair stands like this, with this padding in the middle, just sitting underneath these half moons. So it's a careful precision and part at a time technique to glue this. Generous amount of glue, making sure that you've got your armrest section at the front, so that's the right hand side, and then your trapezium shape is pulling out, so this is the front of the chair. Front of the chair going to the front here. You're going to glue it in place carefully, pushing down, and it's right in the middle. And I'm tempted always to wipe excess glue. There's a generous amount of excess glue here, and wipe it onto the top. Now while you're holding that in place, you can put another line of glue on the top, and making sure that you've got the front of the chair, you can push this section in place. Holding it in place is the best thing to do. And you can just check that it's all lined up correctly. And wait for that to dry. And once that is dry, you're going to glue that part in there like that. But it does push out slightly, so wait for this to dry first. So I'm just going to leave that to dry in place.